Assalamualaikum and good day. My name is Haziq Hilmi bin Rozali from BITZ S1G1. This video will explain about Progress 1, configure a private virtual network using host-only adapter for the subject operating system. Let's get right into it. For this project, I work as an IT system integrator for this company. My job is to set up the SFTP and web services for my company network. But for this video, I will show you how I implement and configure the network topology between host machine Windows and Linux virtual machine as a server. First, open the VirtualBox machine, make sure that the bin is turned off, go to Settings, Network, Adapter 2, and Enable Network Adapter. And make sure these options are chosen, and then click OK. Then go to File and choose the Host Network Manager. Make sure to choose this one. And then go to Properties. Make sure to click on that so the informations are shown. And configure. Okay, for this one, please refer to the Windows host machine here. And make sure the IP address are the same as the Windows host machine. So I already set it up. And then go to the DHCP server. This part will be the same as the virtual Linux server here. Just insert the server address and server mask according to that. And for this part is automatically generated. And then click apply and then close. Then we start our Debian. Make sure the Debian is not running while we set up the settings, because if we run Debian and we want to set up the settings, some of the settings options will be blank or frozen. Okay, so that is the most important bit. Please make sure that Debian is turned off before we set up the settings. And we are logged in. Now let's just put that on the right and put this on the left. This will be easy for us to see. And then go to this section and then open settings. And then we go ahead to activities and open terminal. It will be easy for us soon. Okay, it's opened. In here we type sudo host name CTL. set host name linsrv as Linux server. And then we press enter. And then insert our password. And the system accepted. Afterwards, we go to the settings that we just opened, or we can just click here and go to the network and make sure to choose this one. Okay, and go to the settings symbol and go to IPv4. Okay, turn it on and you see the arrow here. Okay, go there and choose manual. Okay, for this section, net address, net mask, gateway, we refer to the Linux server, this one. Okay, so just follow that, the first one. Okay, just type that in 192.168.56.10, and the net mask is just 255.255.255.0. and for gateway, okay, you can just copy this one. Okay, just until 56.56. Okay, select that and then copy paste that there, and then type .1 because this is gateway, right? So gateway is the first one, and then click on that and turn that off, turn it on again, and make sure the default route is that. Okay, the one that we just typed in, 56.1. Okay, close that. Okay, now we go to Windows. Go to start button and then just type cmd. Okay, open that one. Okay, and type ipconfig space /all all, and then press enter. And then from here we have to find Ethernet adapter virtual host only network. Yes, that one. And make sure the IPv4 address is the same as the one we just typed in. So it's the same. And from here we can just scroll like that, or we can just clear the screen. It will be easier for us soon. Next, turn off all of the firewalls. Go to the start button, type firewall. We have 3 networks: domain, private, and public. Okay, go there. If you have an antivirus, don't worry, just click on that and turn that off. Okay, afterwards, we turn off the Microsoft Defender firewall. Do the same for the other 2 networks. Gentle reminder, as a BITZ student, I have to remind you to please turn back on all of the firewalls after you have done configuring this, okay? Now that we're done, all of the firewalls are off, go back to Debian. Okay, just minimize that. In Debian, click the terminal window. Alright, and then we type, just close that. Okay, it'll be easy for us. And then we type ping 192.168.56. Okay, because we are currently on Debian, which actually serves as a Linux server, we want to communicate with the Windows host machine. So in this section, we type .1 and then we press enter. While the server is communicating with the Windows host machine or the host, go to Windows, go to the CMD window and type ping 192.168.56. Okay, because we are on the Windows host machine or the host, we want to communicate with the Linux server. So from here, we have to type .10 and then press enter. Alhamdulillah, we got the reply from the server, and this is the proof that the communication between the Linux server and the Windows host machine is happening. That is all for Progress 1. Thank you.